Hello everyone. In our first few videos on whole numbers, we understood the whole numbers, how they are formed. We saw how to compare them. We saw how to do operations on them using number lines. In this video, we will do a few sums on that understanding. In each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line. So what do we know about it? So we have learned that smaller number is on left. So which is the smaller number out of these numbers? 503 and 530. Which is the smaller number? When we compare numbers, we know first step we need to do is count the number of digits. So how many number of digits here? Here we have 3 digits. Here we have 3 digits. The number of digits in both the cases is same. So we cannot find which number is smaller using number of digits. The second step now is check the left hand side digit. So in this case, the leftmost digit is here 5, here also 5. Same. So we cannot understand which is greater or which is smaller. So then we'll go to the next digit. The next digit to 5 is 0 here and 3 here. Which one of them is greater? 3 is obviously greater, and hence we know that 530 is a greater number. Now, if 530 is a greater number and 503 is a smaller number, then which will lie on the left side? Therefore, will be on the left side of 530 on number line. Let's take another number. So the first check is number of digits. There are 5 digits here. There are 5 digits here. We cannot make out which number is smaller or which number is greater from number of digits because they are same. The next is look at the leftmost digit. In the leftmost digit, 9 here, 5 here. 9 is greater than 5. So we know that 98765 is going to be greater than 56789. And therefore, five six seven eight nine is on left of 98765 on the number line. Let's now look at the following statements and tell whether they are true or false. Statement 1. 0 is the smallest natural number. Now what are natural numbers? Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and go on towards right hand side. Is 0 part of natural number? No. 0 is not part of natural number. So the statement is false. The next statement, 400 is the predecessor of 399. What is predecessor? Predecessor means earlier number. So which is the earlier number than 399? 398 is before 399. Before. 398 is before 399. So 400 is not the predecessor and therefore the statement is false. 0 is the smallest whole number. So how do we find whole numbers? We have natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. This side ever growing on this side. And then we add to this set of number 0. And when we add 0, we get whole numbers. So 0 is a whole number and so whole numbers start from 0. Is there any whole number to the left of 0? No, there are no whole numbers to the left of 0. And therefore 0 is the smallest whole number and hence the statement is true. 600 is the successor of 599. Successor. Successor means next number. So which is the number which is after 599. After or next to 599 on the right hand side of the 599, it is 600. And hence, yes, 600 is the successor of 599. The statement is true. All natural numbers are whole numbers. So let's write natural numbers. Natural numbers are indefinitely towards right hand side. And these are all natural numbers. And let's write the whole numbers. So if you see this natural number, is it here? Yes, it is here. Next, all are going to be present because they are all ever growing. So all natural numbers are present in the whole numbers. So the statement that all natural numbers are whole numbers is a true statement. Now let's look at the next one. All whole numbers are the natural numbers. So we see 1 present here, 2 is present here, 3 is present, 4 is present, 5. What about 0? So 0, is it present here? It is not present. So all whole numbers are natural number is a false statement because 0 is not present in natural numbers. The predecessor of 2-digit number is never a single digit number. What is the smallest 2-digit number? 10. Say 99, which is the biggest. What is the predecessor of 99? It is 98. So it is a 2-digit number. Predecessor of 10 is 9. And 9 is a single digit number, 1-digit number. So the predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single digit number is a false statement. 1 is the smallest whole number. So what are the whole numbers? Now we know the number on the left is the smaller number. So 3 is smaller than 4. 2 is smaller than 3. 1 is smaller than 2. And 0 is smaller than 1. Is there a number before 0? No. So 0 is the smallest whole number. And hence the statement that 1 is the smallest whole number is false because 0 is the smallest whole number. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. So what are the natural numbers? So what is the predecessor of 5? It is 4. What is the predecessor of 4? 3. What is the predecessor of 3? 2. What is the predecessor of 2? 1. What is the predecessor of 1? There is no number here. Nothing here. For natural numbers, there is nothing, no number to the left of 1. And hence, the natural number 1 has no predecessor is a true statement. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. Let's look at the whole numbers. Whole numbers are... So, is there a predecessor for 5? Yes, 4. Is there a predecessor for 4? 3, 2, 1. What is the predecessor of 1 in whole numbers? 0. So 1 has a predecessor in whole numbers. So the whole number 1 has no predecessor is a false statement because 1 has a predecessor in whole numbers. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. Let's see the whole numbers. Whole numbers are... Now we know 5 has predecessor, 4 has predecessor, 3 has predecessor, 2 has predecessor, 1 has a predecessor, 0, it doesn't have any predecessor because there are no numbers on the left side of 0. So whole number 0 does not have a predecessor and hence the whole number 0 has no predecessor is a true statement. The successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. So let's take the smallest 2-digit number which is 10. Greatest which is 99. Now what is the successor of 10? Successor of 10 is 11. So we see here in all these cases the successor is 2-digit, but in this case the successor is 3-digit. So the successor of 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number is a false statement. You must watch our other videos on whole numbers so that you have complete knowledge of whole numbers. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever we upload new videos. Till we meet again, bye bye.